I can build an expression with multiple terms and factors using keywords found in the phrase. Here's what you need to know. Sometimes an expression has multiple operations going on at one time. The most important thing to remember is to read carefully. We're going to group terms together to make it easier. There is a chance that you can write an expression multiple ways. Here's an example. 4 times a number less than 7. Here's one way that we could write that. 4 times a number could be grouped together, 4 times n. 4 times a number less than 11 means that I'm going to be subtracting 4n from 11. Remember, we have those things called flip-flop words. Than tells me that I reverse the order of what I see. So the 11 comes first, and the 4 times a number comes second. Another way that we could write this expression is like this. 4 times could be treated as its own piece, and then a number less than 11 could be written as 11 minus n. 4 times a number less than 11. So there's two different ways right here that I could translate that expression into, we'll call it like math language, translating those words into letters, numbers, and symbols. Each method results in a very different expression. Let's try an example. Tania is 5 years younger than twice her brother Jarius's age. Write an expression that represents Tania's age in terms of Jarius's age. Let J represent Jarius's age. In terms of is something that you may not have seen before. That just means the only variable we're going to have in our expression when we're done is the one for Jarius's age. So J is going to be the only variable that we see. 5 years younger than means that I'm going to be subtracting 5. Twice her brother's age means 2 times J. And then this word right here tells me to flip the order of what I see. That's what the expression would look like. And notice that the only variable that I have is J. That means I wrote it in terms of Jarius's age. Go ahead and pause and try this one. We'll check it together. Shelby earned $70 more than half of what Bridget earned doing odd jobs for family members. Write an expression to represent how much Shelby earned in terms of how much Bridget earned. Let B represent how much Bridget earned. $70 more means we're going to be adding 70 to whatever the other piece is. So the blue piece right here, half of what Bridget earned means we're going to take half of B. This word, than, is a flip-flop word. It tells me to reverse the order of what I see. So when I write the expression, the 1/2 B will come first, and the plus 70 will come second. If you want more on this topic, be sure to check out the Learning Target spreadsheet for additional resources, videos, and practice.